Hey there, here's my macros for the day. This is all the things I ate today. So enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. wanted to show you all. This cabbage is still going strong. I noticed moisture in the bag, so I'm kind of cracked it open to let it kind of air out a little bit. But yeah, same with this one. It's going strong. Still crispy in there, but like I said, I'm just letting the air out a little bit so it can keep the moisture off of it. And now that I remember when I was a kid, my mom had a lettuce, like a thing that you kept lettuce in. And that's not what this is. But, and it kept the moisture away from the lettuce. So, I don't know that it'll all fit in here, but that was how she kept her head of lettuce lasting a longer time. Yeah, that's as good as, I don't think both, no, just one bag will fit. But anyway, so she kept a head of lettuce longer because she kept it away from the moisture. So I'm going to try that. And it has a little air thing. But, whoop, didn't hold that down very good. Just see if there's any more moisture I can get out of it. But, then I'm just going to leave it in here. And then I'll leave this one with a little crack in it. So anyway, yeah, so the cabbage is still going strong. It's been almost 2 weeks. So I'm going to put the lid on this and, well, let me see if I have enough in this bag here. Some of these I have the core still attached to. There we go. All right. And I'll pull a little out of this one. Okay. So now I'm going to put this away and that away. Hold on. So I'm going to add some, oh wait, let me do this first. I've got some Buffalo Ranch I'm going to use. I'll use 30 grams of that. I was tired earlier and just not overly chatty. So I thought, hey, I'll just record and play music instead of chitty chatting. Alright. So that's going to be my salad. And then when the meat's done, we'll season it up. Okay, this one has some salsa in it. So I'm going to add a little more chili powder. And think of it kind of like as a chili type situation. I'm going to add some salt. And, yeah, a little bit of cumin. Something kind of earthy. I'll add a little bit of turmeric too. Yeah. Let's see how that tastes. It's cold outside, man. I have not been out in it. But my attic, even though it's insulated, there's a draft that comes underneath the door that goes upstairs. The people who built this house, the door that goes upstairs has like slats in it. And I know that's because their son lived up there, or, stayed up there as when he lived here with them as a teenager and whatnot. But anyway, and so that was their way of making sure heat and air conditioning went up there. But they put this plastic cover over it, I guess, over the years after he moved away. And so it does help prevent a draft, but I need to put one of those things underneath to help prevent. Needs more salt. See. I'm going to put some of this Boom All Day brand Boom. Yeah. See if that gives it the flavor I'm going for. Like I said, when it's cold, sometimes I like warm flavors to make me think of chili. That's what I'm going for. Yep. And then my cabbage salad. I'm telling y'all, seasonings is where it's at. I never had the same meal twice. Either seasonings or those G. Hughes flavor syrup things. Not syrup, but sauces. That is the way to go. You got the same base, but it doesn't taste the same ever. Okay, bye. I'm going to show y'all what I did. So a few months ago, oh, who am I kidding? It's probably a year ago. I bought some spice shelves. Originally, I was going to have them up in my cabinet, but when I bought them, they were too tall. And some of the seasonings are too tall to fit on this second shelf. So, I've had my seasonings in like all different kinds of places. So, guess what I did today? I've got my seasonings. This is all my seasonings. I think there might be just the adobo and Greek seasoning because they're already out in here. So, yeah, I put them all out here so I don't have to think, am I out of this? Am I out of that? I just got it all right here. So this is all my seasonings. And speaking of seasonings, I have my 73% ground beef. So what are we going to do? I made this up a while ago. It was 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of Greek seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. So I made this up at some point. I'm going to put some of this in here and see what I think. And that thing's probably 2-3 years old. I saw a TikTok video and this lady is like, your food is never going to taste as good as old people's food. She said, because your seasonings aren't as outdated as theirs are. She's like, yours are probably outdated to 2011. She said, but some of your grandmas and great grandmas and aunts and uncles, their seasoning are probably from the 80s and 90s. And that's why their food tastes so good. I was cracking up. I'm not going to call you out, Mom, because I know, just in case you're watching. But, yeah. Yep. I remember I used to go to my grandma's house, and I was like, Grandma, your milk is expired. She's like, well, just smell it. It don't smell bad. I'm like, Grandma. It don't come out good enough. I'm going to do something. Yeah. And it's still a little too chilly, so too cool. So I'm going to nuke it. And we're having turnips. Oh, I'm not even down far enough, sorry. This is the turnips that I roasted last weekend when I roasted the, ooh, that's hot. I love y'all, but I'm not going to take a bite. I'm going to pause it till my meat's done, and then maybe it'll be ready for me to take a bite. Yeah. Oh, wait, let's taste this turnip. Oh, yeah. That's good. I use the same seasonings that I had on my rutabaga that my coworkers were whining about. I don't like turmeric. I don't like curry. Weirdos. But anyway, oh man. Anyway, all right, let's see what we think here. Hang on, okay, let's see what we think here. That still is not very strong. That must be like dead. I mean, I smell it. It's so old it ain't even got a taste, evidently. Or else it's just not mixed up good. And I'm going to get a bite and I'm going to be like, whoa. Yeah. That's better. That's better. So now I know I just got to use a boatload of this right here in order to taste it. Also, that's a barbecue rub I made up several years ago. I think it was about 2.5, 3 years ago. It's in one of my old videos because it was a rub I made when I was doing ribs in my crock pot. So, all right. So that is supper. Roasted turnips and 8 ounces of 73% ground beef. Okay, bye.